Okay, you can move. You're on video now.
I'm going to turn my dad into a frog.
Ribbit.
Ta-da!
So far, the movies turn out much better than the pictures for some reason. Hi, Matthias.
Nej, Andreas, stå still. Stå still, Andreas. Kan du hålla den uppåt då? Stjärnan. Får se. Se, Staffan och Stalledäng. Stalledäng, Stalledäng.
I'm going to be a wizard.
Stalle. Du är stjärngosse.
Daddy.
Stjärngosse.
Matthias, smile.
Ska du ha hatten?
Hi.
Mario.
Smile.
We have the gold star. Of the gold star destiny.
The Gold Star Destiny.
Can you see it?
Yeah, okay. Oh boy, this.
Du är jättesöt, Mattias.
I don't want it.
But you're so cute. Can mommy have it?
Okay, tell me what it's like to wear your outfit.
Can I see you?
How does it feel?
Feels like a wizard.
See, I don't want to wear my
I'm
hat.
going to turn your phone into a frog.
I don't want to wear my hat.
Ribbit.